On my Honda here, the headlights are all fogged, and so I'm going to try and use a restoration kit to sand this down and apply a new clear coat. Let's see if we can get these headlight covers to be transparent again. We'll be using this kit from Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit. The kit comes with 3 different bits of sandpaper, a surface activator to help remove the old UV coating, anything that's there, a clarifying compound to help polish, I guess, towards the very end, and ultimately the UV clear coat. They also give you kind of these applicator pads and a little bit of a towel. And during the process, you just use clean water to constantly keep the surface wet during sanding and to wash off. Before we begin, we're going to wash the lenses. Now we'll tape off the edges so that way when we sand we don't damage the paint. We'll just go and tape off the other side. Alright, step 1 is we apply the Surface Activator, spray it on, and let it sit for 30 seconds. Now time to sand with the 400 grit paper. We use the entire sheet for both lights, so they say fold it in half. And we will wet sand using circular motion. Both lights have been sanded and they don't have any more yellowish or clear spots where I maybe didn't sand, so that's good. And you can tell that they have a uniform haziness by just drying the light. So now we're going to use the 1000 grit and repeat the process. And after the 1000 we go to the 2000. Again, when sanding, circular motions, liberal amount of water as you sand. Time for the 2000 grit. Now it's time to apply this clarifying compound, and yeah, using one of these white towels, about a quarter's worth. And just like the sandpaper, we rub it in. The instructions do say that after using the compound, there will be a slight haze after you dry it. And then we reapply the Surface Activator, which helps really clean them for getting them ready for step 3. We will make sure we fully dry the lens and the surrounding area. There can't be any moisture in the next step. UV clear coat, step 3. We're going to thoroughly douse the edge here, and then we're going to apply it in a smooth motion, barely overlapping across the entire light from top down. There goes nothing. That's pretty cool. It goes on thick, and so that's why you're not supposed to really overlap on that light. I'll show you. I might have made a little bit of a mistake. Kind of hard to see, but right in here I went over a little bit because there was a big drip, like a paint drip. I can still see a little bit of a paint drip there, and so the coating here is not as even as the other light. This light, I think I managed to really do a good job. All right, well, we'll let this set up. It takes a few hours. We'll come back and see how it looks. Before. A few hours have passed, and all I can say is, wow, I think these results kind of speak for themselves. I'm really happy with how this turned out. The lights, the lenses are very clear. Are they perfect? No. But I think that they really kind of bring new life to the car. No more fogginess. Again, I had some problems applying the UV blocker here, and there's a little bit of warbling and drip, but everything is very clear, and that's what's kind of most important, is getting clear headlight lenses so the driver can see better. All in all, a success. If I can fix it, so can you.